Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. And you can check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel if you trade on other pairs like Euro USD, Pound USD, USD JPY, GBP JPY, and others. So let's get started. So this is the 1 hour chart of gold right now. Yes, not the 4 hour chart. I am in a 1 hour chart today. To be honest, the chart of gold is very confusing for me at least. Okay, if you have any secret information about the movement of gold, then please write down in the comment section or please email me. Okay, I would love to learn from you because otherwise, if you look at the chart now, then we can see that the movement is kind of not promising here. First of all, we had a resistance here. Okay, resistance from 1814 to 1817, 1818 level. Okay, market struggle in the resistance zone for quite some time. Then after a couple of hours, we saw market forming a big green candle, and it was a clear-cut indication that yes, buyers are present, bulls are present in the market, and market is about to charge. And again, we can see that market is struggling here, not struggling, but there is not much buying power again. So where are the bulls? Where are the bulls from this candle? So are they gone? I don't think so. So I don't think so. We have a clear idea. At least I do not have a clear idea on the chart of gold here. So I'll request beginners, new traders to stay away or trade with very small lot on gold here. Because if we look at these candles, or if you try to understand the body language of the market here, then it looks like the market wants to go down. There can be some price rejection and market will be going down. If you look at this candle here, there was sharp price rejection, but immediately market formed another green candle, and right now market is struggling here. So do we have a clear picture? No. So what are the trading opportunities here? First of all, if market crosses this level of 1823, if market crosses the level of 1823 level, wait for some time and see how the price is reacting. If after a couple of hours you see that market is trading comfortably above 1823 level, you can take a buy position. Okay, if you find market trading comfortably above this level, then there is a possibility that market will be forming a temporary support here. Market will form a temporary support here and market will bounce like this. Okay, on the other hand, if market starts coming down, then yes, you can take a sell position, but it is not a safe strategy. Why? Because we had a minor resistance here at around 1816 level. Okay, so that minor resistance may now act as support, so we are not sure. But if you still want to take a sell position, or already if you are in a sell position, you need to watch your trade at this level of 1860, 1816 to 1816.50. Watch your trade around this level because we have a minor support, or this level may act as support here. So overall the picture is very much confusing, right? So I'll request, if you are not madly in love with gold right now, then please try to avoid gold trading at least for today. Okay, just keep in mind this level is important right now because right now we are not sure whether this is a resistance or support here. Okay, if market breaks it, then it will try to become support hopefully, and right now market is struggling in this level like a resistance. And if market comes down also, then 1816 level may act as support, and if market breaks it, then there may be some selling. I don't know about the role of the 200 period moving average. I'm not sure till yet, but yes, there may be some selling on the gold as well. Okay, so that's a personal call. Honestly speaking, I am not, just like the other days, I am not giving you any clear-cut levels here today because the market is not good. Because we were hoping that 1814 to 1818 would be a strong resistance, but yes, market broke it. But right now we are not getting any clear signs yet, so it's better to stay away. So that's it. Bye bye. Take care.